but where do I go for the title search now?
Yeah, I would go to that county, and what county is it? Or, I mean, you don't have to stay on here, but I would go to a title company in that county,
Yeah.
preferably one that works with investors, and start the process. Start the process of purchasing it, and definitely check with the real estate attorney on this. But, in the beginning, before I owned the land, I started advertising it because I wanted buyers. I wanted, like the day I closed on this thing, I wanted to sell it. So you can do a couple ways. You can start advertising it for sale for 18,000 down, total purchase price of 51,000,
Yeah.
500 a month for however many months. And you can get someone to actually do an earnest money deposit of 18,000 before you close on it, and you can use their money to buy it. Or you can use funds, which is the cleanest. I mean, real estate attorneys, they're going to probably really kind of guide you to buy it first and then sell it. But it just depends what situation you're in. When I started, I didn't have the cash. So I had to have a buyer lined up most of the time. And I always remember that. I just assume everyone was in this kind of the same situation I was in. No time, no money, which is the worst. Usually you have more money than time, or more time than money, vice versa. But I had neither.